In today's video, I'll show you how to install any bike mod in GTA 5 Enhanced. I'll show you guys how to do it. Check my video description for these mods link. Right click on the Natural Vision Enhanced and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Open this main package. Drag up all these files inside the game folder. Replace the file in the destination and then go back. Open script.v bin. Drag up all these files inside the game folder. Once you're done, go back, open this add-on spawner, then drop this ASI and add-on spawner folder inside of a game folder. Once you're done, go back, and now check my video description for this mod list. Choose the bike mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install few bikes. You can also find these bikes in my description. Open the bike mod and you can able to see Natural Vision Enhanced open. And drag and drop this add-on Giri inside of a game folder and open this how to install. Scroll down, copy this TLC packs text and then close. Open this on Giri common data and right click on this DLC list and select edit in Notepad. Scroll down to the bottom. Next to item, press enter, paste the text we copied, align this and select file and select save option. Minimize this and go back to the game folder. Open the next bike, Natural Vision Enhanced. Drag and drop this on Giri folder inside of a game folder. Open how to install. Scroll down. Copy this DLC list text. Go back to the DLC list. Next to item, press enter. Paste the text we copied. And align this in row and select file and select save option. Once this done, minimize this. Now open the bike mod and I guess I have the TAD bike. Drag and drop this on Giri inside of a game folder. Same steps how to install. Copy the DLC packs text and go back to the exe list. Press enter next to item and paste the text. Align this in row and select file and select save option. Once you've done this, close stuff here and launch the game. As you can see, we added 3 bikes in front of me. I'll show you guys how to spawn these bikes. Press F5 to open up this add-on spawner. Using up arrow and down arrow, choose option. Press enter to select option. To go back, press the backspace key. You need to go to motorcycles and spawn the bikes you like to ride. That's how you can spawn the bikes. And I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.